How to check when a Pinterest pin was created. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to check when a Pinterest pin was created. So first, open up your Pinterest and choose a pin. And then after that, please press on Ctrl U if you're on Windows or Command U if you're on a Mac. This will open the page source. Now, once the page source opens, just press Ctrl F or Command F to bring up the search bar and type in create. As you can see, you'll find the created at information which tells you the exact date and time this pin was originally created. For example, in this case, it was created on Sunday, 10 May 2020. And it's simple as that. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks.